The rise of SEI, a new contender in decentralized finance. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is revolutionizing the financial landscape. It removes intermediaries and puts the power back into the hands of users. SEI is a new cryptocurrency designed specifically for DeFi. It aims to address the limitations of existing blockchains. These often struggle with speed, scalability, and cost. SEI's mission is to become the preferred platform for DeFi applications. It promises faster transaction times and lower fees. This will make DeFi accessible to a wider audience. SEI represents a new generation of blockchain technology. It is built for the demands of the rapidly growing DeFi ecosystem. SEI's entry into the DeFi space is significant. It offers a fresh perspective on tackling the challenges of decentralized finance. With its focus on speed, scalability, and user experience, SEI has the potential to disrupt the status quo. The future of DeFi is being shaped by innovative projects like SEI. They are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of finance. SEI's speed advantage, unlocking the power of fast finality. In the world of blockchain technology, speed is paramount. SEI distinguishes itself through its remarkable block finality time of just 390 milliseconds. This near-instantaneous confirmation of transactions is a game-changer for DeFi. It allows for rapid-fire trading and efficient execution of smart contracts. Traditional proof-of-work blockchains often suffer from slow transaction speeds. This hinders their ability to handle the demands of high-frequency trading. SEI's fast finality removes this bottleneck. It paves the way for a new era of DeFi applications that require real-time responsiveness. The benefits of fast finality extend beyond trading. It enhances the user experience across all DeFi applications. Imagine a world where lending, borrowing, and yield farming happen in the blink of an eye. SEI's speed makes this a reality. It empowers developers to create more sophisticated and responsive dApps. Compatibility and sustainability. SEI's edge in the crypto landscape. SEI is built with compatibility and sustainability in mind. It is fully compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM. This means that developers can easily port their existing Ethereum-based dApps to the SEI network. This compatibility opens up a vast ecosystem of tools, libraries, and resources for SEI developers. Beyond its technical capabilities, SEI is committed to environmental sustainability. The network is designed to be carbon neutral. It achieves this through a combination of energy-efficient consensus mechanisms and carbon offsetting initiatives. In an era of increasing concern about the environmental impact of blockchain technology, SEI's commitment to sustainability sets it apart. SEI's compatibility and sustainability are not just buzzwords. They are core principles that guide its development. By embracing these values, SEI is positioning itself as a responsible and forward-thinking player in the DeFi space. As the crypto landscape matures, projects like SEI that prioritize both technological innovation and environmental responsibility will be well-positioned for long-term success. Section 4 SEI in the market current status and future projections. SEI's recent launch has been met with enthusiasm from the crypto community. The token is currently trading on major cryptocurrency exchanges, reflecting the growing interest in its potential. While still early in its journey, SEI has already captured the attention of investors and traders alike. Market analysts are optimistic about SEI's future prospects. They cite its strong technological foundation, experienced team, and growing ecosystem of partners as key drivers of growth. While price predictions should always be treated with caution, some analysts believe that SEI has the potential to achieve significant price appreciation in the coming years. However, it's essential to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Investors should conduct thorough research and consider their own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Section 5. SEI in action, transforming decentralized applications. SEI's capabilities extend far beyond being just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform designed to power the next generation of decentralized applications. Let's explore some of the exciting use cases where SEI is making a real-world impact. One of the primary applications of SEI is in decentralized exchanges, or DEX. These platforms allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with each other, without the need for intermediaries. SEI's speed and low transaction fees make it ideal for DEX, enabling near-instantaneous trades and reducing the cost of trading. SEI is also gaining traction in the world of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of digital or physical items. SEI's blockchain can be used to create, buy, sell, and trade NFTs securely and efficiently. This opens up new possibilities for artists, collectors, and gamers to engage with digital assets. Section 6. Joining the SEI ecosystem, a step-by-step guide. Getting started with SEI is a straightforward process. Whether you're an experienced cryptocurrency enthusiast or new to the world of DeFi, here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the SEI ecosystem. The first step is to acquire SEI tokens. You can purchase SEI on various cryptocurrency exchanges that list the token. Once you've acquired SEI, you'll need a secure wallet to store your tokens. Hardware wallets offer the highest level of security, while software wallets provide a more convenient option. After securing your SEI tokens, you can explore the various DeFi applications built on the SEI network. These applications range from decentralized exchanges and lending platforms to yield farming protocols and NFT marketplaces. Each application offers a unique way to interact with the SEI ecosystem. Section 7. SEI, a glimpse into the future of decentralized finance. SEI represents a bold vision for the future of decentralized finance. Its focus on speed, scalability, and user experience aims to address the limitations of existing blockchain platforms. While still in its early stages, SEI has already garnered significant attention and investment. The recent V2 upgrade further enhances SEI's capabilities, introducing new features and improvements. This ongoing development underscores the project's commitment to innovation and its dedication to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the DeFi space. As the DeFi ecosystem continues to evolve, SEI is well positioned to play a leading role in shaping its trajectory. With its dedicated team, growing community, and unwavering focus on innovation, SEI is poised to make a lasting impact on the world of decentralized finance. The future of DeFi is bright, and SEI is at the forefront of this exciting revolution.